Okay, so I'll just show you guys real quick what I got going on here. So basically I've tore my whole garage apart and sold everything in the garage, and now I need to rebuild it. So all this week, this is week one, I framed in the door. I got this exterior door from a buddy of mine that got a new door. So I said, can I have your old door? He said, yeah, it's broken. I got it fixed. So basically coming in here to the shop, what I did was I made this back part of this garage will be like a workshop area. And I know you can't tell now, but I've tore all these walls down. This is basically some of the old wood of this old garage of just like farm wood that they had. And when on this back side, I spray foamed all the cracks and everything inside the wall. If I have some pictures, I will bring them up. And then I actually insulated all the walls in here. Another problem I had was this building was extended on, and this back part by this back wall here, the concrete did not match this concrete underneath of this mat. You can see where I've laid all new tiles. I ripped all this out and reconcreted all this so I could have a flat surface, so I could have a workbench and stuff on here. So all the walls are insulated now. For the ceiling, I reinforced all the ceilings. If I shoot in here, this ceiling when this was built had no rafters in it whatsoever. So now I actually have solid rafters up to the ceiling, where this is going to prevent all this from moving. I really didn't want to do this. There's about $500-600 worth of wood I've already bought, plus the insulation's a lot more than I wanted. But if we go back this way, you can see on this side here, there's no rafters. And the main problem is this front part of the building. I tore off all the tar paper. This was two structures here. So this is the end of the first structure down this wall. And that was probably the original garage. And then they added on this side of the garage. So as you can see, there's all the old wood that they used. And I'm going in and I'm going to reinforce everything. I braced up this part of the wall so I could start finishing on this. Then I also built and framed in another wall in here. I don't have any lights in here yet. And I put a door in here, and this is going to be the air compressor room. The only thing I haven't done is I haven't drilled into the concrete and braced the walls for the anchors yet, because I'm going to have to anchor this down. And then by building this little wall here, it's going to prevent that part of the wall on the foundation from moving, because now I've connected this wall to this wall. So in here is going to be just the little air compressor room, and then probably all the air compressor tools and everything. And then once I build this out, I'm going to run the air compressor lines up through the ceiling. So when you come into the shop here, there'll be a drop probably over here, because there will be a small workbench here. And then I will run an air compressor line all the way into this side of the shop, so I can pull an air compressor line out of the ceiling and have access for air tools. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Short vid. I'm going to try to make this work. It's spending a lot more money than I thought, but yeah, it is what it is. And if I get it done, I might sell the whole house and just leave. I don't know. I haven't decided yet.